Okay, so let's go ahead and continue. This time I'm going to take this one, hold Alt, click and drag to copy, and I'm going to use this expression as a basis to create this other one. So I'm going to control click again to see only the outlines, and I'm going to resize it a bit since this one is a little bit smaller. I'm always going to hold Shift while I'm resizing to retain the proportions. There we go. And as you can see, I'm going to zoom in. We could reutilize some elements. For example, I could reutilize these eyebrows. I'm going to take the direct selection tool, click on this anchor point and move it here. Click on this anchor point and move it here. And now we have these handles which are too big, so I'm going to quickly edit them. Something like this. And for this other eyebrow, we could do the same thing. Okay, so I'm going to delete this top eyelid and here as well. I'm going to delete the bottom one. And as you can see on the sketch, we have only one, which is this one on the bottom. Okay, so this is not exactly the shape that I have drawn here, but it works just as well. So I'm going to leave it here. So now it's time to take care of the body. So I'm going to delete all of this because this is going to be very different. I'm going to create the main shape here for the torso. Take the eyedropper and copy this green color from the one that's on the left. Rearrange it to be on the back. And now I'm going to create the shape for the arms. So first I'm going to create one shape that's going to be like this. Send it to the back. Then I'm going to create another shape which is going to be more or less like this, the forearm, which is overlapping the arm. So I'm going to do them as different shapes. So if you can't see them, I'm going to add black outlines so you can understand what I just have done. I have created this shape first, and then this one, which is on top. Okay, so you get the basic idea of what I'm going after. And now I'm going to fast forward a bit and I'm going to speed up the footage because I'm going to basically do the exact same thing for all of the other stickers. So I'm going to leave you with the footage of what I've done. I don't want to bore you and explain you once and again the same things because that's basically what it is. I'm going to repeat everything the same way as I've been doing it for all of the other images. So you can just watch this footage and see how I solved different situations and where I placed my lines, for example, to show some overlaps. But other than that, it's basically what you already know. So don't worry, you're not missing out on this. And on the next and final video, I'm going to show you how to prepare this file for print.